How to create album in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually create an album in Facebook, as well as how you can add photos and videos to that particular album which you have created. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Facebook app to the latest version. If you haven't actually downloaded or updated the app, you can head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, type in Facebook and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. In case you want to avoid any type of problems or minor issues while creating an album, you always want to make sure you are using the up-to-date version. After you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Go ahead, enter your credentials such as your email, your password, your phone number, log in with your Facebook account, and after you log in, you can basically see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. The very first thing we want to do after we open Facebook is on the top left hand side of the screen, you want to simply tap on your profile picture or your profile icon in order to go to our profile page. Once you go to your profile page, you'll be taken to the about section. Here you want to slide down a little bit until you find the option called photos. So right here at the bottom left, you'll find an option called photos next to the avatars or music section. Now this option could actually vary anyway depending on your device, depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, but you want to simply look for the option called photos, and after you tap on photos right over here, you'll be taken to this menu. You basically have three menus at the top of the screen which says photos of you, uploads, and albums, and this is basically where we want to go to. Now you by default, we already have a list of albums which we have created on Facebook by default, and in order to actually create a new album, you can simply tap on this plus button on the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the plus button, the very first thing you could do is simply go ahead and enter the name for your album right over here. Once you enter the name for your album, you can also change the privacy settings for that album, whether you want to share it to your friends or public, friends of friends, or only yourself. Now in my case, I'm only doing for the video purpose, so I don't want anybody to see this, hence I'm going to select only me. You could go ahead and select public or friends if you want to. Once you go ahead and enter the name for your album and also select the privacy, in order to create and finish this album, on the top right, tap on this create button. Now it is going to take some time to create the album, and you can see the album has been created, but currently it is empty. In order to add some photos and videos to it, you can simply tap on this album right over here and tap on this plus button that says add photos and videos. Go ahead and simply choose the photos and videos from your gallery if you want to. If you want to switch from gallery to somewhere else, on the top left, simply tap on this icon. Go ahead and select WhatsApp, Instagram, any other folders which you have on your device, and add that particular photos or videos to your album right over here. Let me just go ahead and select any of the photos. Once done, tap on the next button on the top left hand side. Once you're happy with the albums, you could go ahead and post it if you want to as well. This was a very simple way on how you could very easily create an album in Facebook, as well as how you can add photos and videos to that particular album. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.